Hello everyone, and welcome to your very first Axe Parser tutorial. Axe Parser is a programming language for the TI-83 to TI-84 based calculators that allows you to do a lot more functions, and it has way better speed than TI Basic for the calculators, and it has a much less steep learning curve than assembly. The reason why Axe Parser is so popular and fast is because simply for the fact that it compiles to assembly, making it be a lot faster. So, anyway, it's an ideal choice for everyone, not just beginners, because assembly takes a long time to learn and a really long time to master, and it just really isn't fun to program in. Even though the end result's fun, it's not really fun to actually program it. Axe Parser is very fun, and the results are always very fun if you're good at it. And by the end of these tutorials, you should be pretty good at it. So let's get started. The first page you're going to want to go on is not this one. It's this one right here. I'll have the link in the description. It's TiConnect for Windows. Basically, they have it for Mac. So if you're running on a Mac, which I actually am running on a Mac, so you can see here, but it doesn't work for Mac OS X line, and I don't think it works for Snow Leopard either. So it really doesn't work, and so I'm running on a virtual machine, so you can run on a virtual machine, or you can just go to your friend's house or something, or on a different computer that has Windows on it for this. The reason you need TiConnect is to put Axe Parser on your calculator. So just get TiConnect and click Continuous Guest, and it will start to download. I already have it, so I'm not going to do that. And now what you need to do is click on this link that I also have in the description, and click on, this is the Axe Parser update page. So click on this link down here, and you'll begin to download Axe, the newest version. This version came out yesterday, as you can see. So it has a bit more stuff, so that's good, right? Alright, so now once you're done with that, you can you basically extract it to a folder. I have it extracted to this one, and here's a look around. The developers we don't need. This is for assembly programmers, and this is an Axe tutorial, not an assembly tutorial, so we're not going to be using this. The examples, this would be these are programming examples. Since Axe is made and executed all on calculator, you can't do it on your computer, which is a good thing. This is the source code for all the programs. You just compile it on your calculator and you can see how it runs. These are examples, of course. They're pretty cool, but we don't have to have them. If you want, you can send them to your calculator. This is application signing. We don't need this. And we don't really need this either, memkit. What we do need is the sprite editor. So this is for making 8x8 sprites, like in Mario, you know, little mushrooms. That's an 8x8 sprite, right? And then we can use those this program turns those sprites into hexadecimal, so we can use it in our programs, and a tutorial on that will be made later. So you can see the instructions for hexpick. It's pretty simple, but it's a TI Basic program, so it works on every calculator. So that's good. You can go ahead and send that to your TI device if you really want it, which you really do. But anyway, the main thing here is Axe. So click Send to TI device. Make sure your device is turned on, which mine wasn't. And refresh again. USB. Alright, and select. And then make sure it is sent to the archive once it's done loading. If it's not, just click Set to Archive or in the destination. Yeah. Make sure it's set to archive, because archive has more memory than RAM does, and RAM is pretty precious, and it'll be deleted after a RAM clear. So make sure it is an archive, and send it to the device, as well as sending in here this. Also send it to the device, and it'll be added to the list. And make sure this is in RAM, not archive, because otherwise you wouldn't be able to run it as a basic program. Anyway, also optionally you can get Mirage OS and send that as well. This is a shell for running your programs. You don't have to have the shell, and I can teach you how to do it without the shell. So thanks for watching this tutorial. This is the very first one just for getting Axe on your calculator. Next tutorial will be creating your first program and showing you how to compile and kind of a little bit of how Axe works. Thanks for watching.